Hi, it's Mayor Sandy Brown from the town of Orangeville with a COVID-19 update for Friday, May the 8th, 2020. This week marked National Mental Health Week. This year, Mental Health Week takes on a special meeting when we are living in a time of stress and uncertainty due to COVID-19. Now more than ever, we need to check in with our mental health and stay connected with family and friends. Staying at home for a prolonged period of time has been difficult. Days are beginning to run together and all feel the same. It can be frustrating and lonely for some people, and you may feel low. I encourage anyone experiencing anxiety, depression, or loneliness to reach out for support. Both the province and local agencies such as the CMHA and DCAFs have launched new virtual services so you can access free counseling from home. Gardening is a great way to relax and de-stress. Getting outside is good for both mental and physical health. On Wednesday, the province began the process of allowing select businesses to open so you can get supplies for your property. As of today, garden centers and nurseries are open for in-store purchases. On Saturday, hardware stores and safety supply stores will open their doors. On Monday, retail stores with a street entrance can provide curbside pickup. This gradual change will provide a needed economic boost to our local businesses and more choices for residents. So please shop local whenever you can. To make the reopening a success, we need everyone to continue to follow the public health directives on physical distancing. The number of new COVID-19 cases needs to continue to decline so more businesses can reopen. It's important for everyone to be aware that many of the measures to slow the spread of COVID-19 remain in place. On Wednesday, the province also extended its emergency orders until May the 19th. This extension applies to the closure of non-essential workplaces, bars and restaurants, and recreational amenities, including playgrounds, sports fields, tennis courts, off-leash dog parks, and skateboard and BMX parks. The restriction on social gatherings of no more than 5 people also remains in place. Please respect these closures for a little longer. We need to be careful not to undo the progress we have all made together. May not only brings flowers, but also the prospect of fresh Ontario produce. On Wednesday, Town Council opened the community garden for the season. We have put in place physical distance guidelines, including a schedule for registered gardeners and a maximum of 5 people in the garden at a time. If you are planting your own vegetable garden in your backyard, please consider planting an extra row for the food bank. For those who like to support local farmers, this week, the Orangeville Farmers Market announced they are going to shift to an online ordering and pickup model to start the season. More details will be released soon, but they hope to launch in mid-May. If you're doing spring cleanup work on your property, the next yard waste pickup for Orangeville residents is the week of May the 19th. Local landscape and lawn services businesses are also able to assist you. You may begin to notice some construction projects around town. The reconstruction of Little York Street from Mill to John is expected to begin on May the 11th and should be completed in 3 months. Little York Street will be closed to traffic during the construction, but local access will be permitted. The Premier also expanded essential construction to include new condos and apartment buildings, including below-grade work. This will allow more people in the construction sector to get back to work. Small businesses have been hit particularly hard over the last 7.5 weeks. All 3 levels of government have relief programs to help offset revenue losses. This week, the province extended the emergency electricity rate relief to families, farms, and small businesses until May 31st. Customers who pay time of use electricity rates will continue to be billed at the lowest price. To help businesses find the right program, our Small Business Enterprise Center staff are available via phone, video conference, and email. Our team is closely monitoring the daily announcements and can provide real-time updates to help you access financial support. Councillor Joe Andrews moderated an informative Ask an Expert business panel last week. Ryan Mallow of the Canadian Federation of Independent Businesses, Cassandra Bryan of Scotiabank, and Liz Skorsky of the Dufferin Board of Trade provided insights to help businesses manage through COVID-19. A link for the recording can be found on the Economic Development website. The Small Business Enterprise Center has also arranged a number of free webinars for business. On Monday, Council will hold its 3rd virtual Council meeting. You can watch the meeting live on Town of Orangeville's YouTube channel on May the 11th starting at 7 p.m. If you have a question for Council, Please send an email to councilagenda@orangeville.ca until 8 p.m. on Monday, or call Town Hall at 519-941-0440, extension 223, between 7 and 8 p.m. Next week, we celebrate Nurses Week. Our nurses have our greatest respect and admiration as they battle COVID-19. To show our gratitude, I was pleased to be able to help install children's artwork banners at Headwaters Healthcare Center this week. Thank you to our wonderful nurses for everything that you do to keep our community safe. In closing, I want to wish all the mothers a happy Mother's Day this weekend. And if you need a special gift for your mother, please shop local. Thank you very much.